Today, we're learning how to highlight anything in your video. This simple technique is great for drawing attention to specific parts of your footage. Let's get started. Import your video into the timeline and identify the area you want to highlight. In this case, I would like to highlight this chance word. To create the highlight effect, go to the FX library, navigate to Generators and choose Solid Color. Drag it onto the timeline above your video clip. Select the solid color layer and in the inspector panel, change the color to a highlight green or any color of your choice. Next, reduce the opacity in the inspector to make the solid color transparent, creating a subtle overlay effect. Now use the crop sliders in the inspector to isolate and highlight the specific area of interest. Adjust the crop settings to precisely frame the portion you want to emphasize. For a polished look, you can add a dissolve transition to the beginning of the solid color layer. Simply drag the dissolve from the FX library onto the start of the solid color clip. Preview your video to ensure the highlight looks just right, and there you have it. A simple yet effective way to highlight anything in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.